kind of person that the nurse becomes makes a substantial difference in what each patient will learn as he or she is nursing care. And can you please explain this way? Yes. Oh, according to my research, and according to the Bible, the patient yung pagtingin ng pasyente na nagbigyan ng nursing care ay magiging depende dun sa ugali na ugali at yung kahit ng person yung nurse na nag-alaga sa kanya. Kaya yan yung the theory. Often regarded by many as the psychiatric nurse of the century. Was born on September 1, 1909, as reading Pennsylvania.
Skip to the good part.
At a very young age, he
White success.
Halika nga rito, malagbutay ka.
Whatever, yoyo.
Go to work.
Kapala. Sige, hindi ko malalayo na. Papalakpakin pa.
She was raised in the time when women were taught to believe the attitude.
Lakad-lakad.
In 1943, she received a Bachelor of Arts in Interpersonal Psychology from Benning College. Really, guys,
Algagato masyado pa lakad-lakad.
Master of Arts in Psychiatry from Princess College.
Kaya kayo ba ni Peplo?
Education in Curriculum Development from Columbia in 1950. From the beginning of her career in the late 1930s, the slow work tirelessly advanced nursing education and practice. Her effort and excellent leadership skills take the American Nurses Association from the point of bankruptcy and moved the nursing profession towards scientific recognition in respective universities. She became a member of the Harvard Nurse Corps and worked in a neuropsychiatric nurse hospital in London, United Kingdom during World War III. She also worked at Bellevue and Chestnut Lodge Psychiatric Facility and worked with renowned psychiatrists Graham Leon, Richmond, and Harry Stock Switzerland. Eldegar Couture has been considered as one of the renowned nursing leaders of her time. Her writings and research are reviewed featured at the American Journal of Nursing from 1951 to 1960. Her first book, Interpersonal Relationship in Nursing, published in 1952, was one of the first books that stated that the nurse-patient relationship in providing health care. Eldegar Couture won numerous awards like the Fitch-Feynman Prize and International Council of Nurses, the Linnean Congress, and the Fellowship of the American Academy. prize goes to Cameron. Ready, guys? Hello.
Sit.
On March 7, 1999, as the country decided to be at our own.
Wala. Mga reaction naman.
At the age of 89, I think that's the clue. Here, in nursing guidelines, a remarkable stamp and profession, and analysis, and analyze of mental illness around the world.
Madre ba yun o nurse? Bagay yun.